Hello everyone. Now, I'm going to show you how to use Sally to analyze your data based on the Python interpreter and Jupyter. Let's use this spreadsheet data as an example. It contains traffic data from my website. First, open Python agent. I ask Python agent to help me analyze which countries are visiting my website and to create a pie chart for me. It will analyze my request and determine if it can meet my needs. It generated Python code for me and attempted to execute it. You can see it generated a pie chart for me. But with too many countries, the ones at the back aren't clear. I asked it to display only the top 10 countries. Okay, it helped me display only the top 10 countries. We can take a look at the generated code. Now, we're entering an interface similar to Jupyter, embedded within Excel. Click on the arrow button to run code. Update chart type to bar chart. It also supports embedding Markdown documents. I asked it to list the sources of website traffic and return the data in a table. It listed all the sources and created a new table for me. You can also use this tool on my website. Choose this Excel agent. Upload the Excel file. Then input your question. And it will analyze the question, similar to how it works in Excel. You can also edit code in Jupyter on the browser side. The Jupyter experience in the browser is generally better. Input your data analysis needs and let GPT generate code for you. Okay, this is the Python agent and Jupyter in SallySuite. This is a lightweight Jupyter. Hope you like it. Hopefully give us feedback so we can make it better. Thank you.